The snow is falling down, I pull you near. The city sounds fade and disappear. City lights blur behind your ears. Your lips are warm even in winter air. Even in winter air. As I hold your hand, we walk familiar streets, made brand new now that you're here with me. I see your eyes, you look so happy now, as the white snowflakes land on your dark eyebrows. Land on your dark eyebrows. There's so much I want to say to you. Do you feel alive when I'm next to you? Do you think that love can exist so soon? I'm hoping that you feel the way I do. You feel the way I do. We walk up the steps to your house front porch. We say goodbye under the midnight sky. I'm leaving you looking in your eyes. I see your smile, it says your heart is mine. It says your heart is mine. Your heart is I think that I might be falling for you. I love who you are and every little thing you do. There's a certain something when it's me and you. I'm hoping that you feel the way I do. I do. Only time will tell if this is something true, if it's a passing stage, cause everything we act to, this all seems too good to be true. But I'm glad I get to be with you. With you. With you. With you. I get to be with you. The snow is falling down, I pull you near. The city sounds fade and disappear. City lights blur behind your ears. Your lips are warm